Well, so we have another two-for train coming here at Pemberville. When I mean that, I mean we have two trains coming. I thought after I saw that yellow and red, I thought we were not going to have another one. See that airplane carrying a sign in the video? It's going to be the same directions like the last video. Man, if I knew we were gonna have a headlight very soon, I would have had the camera paused on the other one. Which one is gonna go first? Are they both going fast or no? You wave when the one here comes, okay, Papa?
Yeah.
Which one set them off? The one over here on the left or no?
One on the right.
Are they gonna be going back up after the one here on the right or no? You doubt it? They're probably gonna go up barely. No, maybe not. Oh, there. Look out, everybody! Look out, everyone! It's about to go back down. Maybe not. No, wait! Yes! It's about to go back down! Oh no! What? Oh, a brand new NS engine on the second one! Look at that! Is the one here gonna stop or no?
No.
Why is he going slow then? You wave to the one here, Pepper. Yes, a brand new NS. Are the gates up or no? Are the bells ringing or no? Or not now? What? Another one? Am I hearing another one? Very, very busy train action here today. Is this road here a very busy road, or can it be? It isn't as busy as you thought it was? What about Lemoyne Road? Yes? Looks like it is about to stop. What's gonna happen if he blocks all three of these? Are we gonna be toast? Is he gonna block the one here or no? Is he slowing way down though? Is he gonna be stopping up there? Probably. From the looks of it, Pepper. Is the one here stopping? Is it gonna be blocking here or no? Is he gonna block Walbridge Road or no? You doubt it? You think the only one he's gonna block is Lemoyne Road?
Could be.
Okay, it looks like we're good this time.